face more than a million times, like a million times. I have seen that, baby. I can treat you right and you can prove me wrong.
Hey guys, I'm Ellie and welcome to my channel. Raise your hand if you hate washing your hair. Hate it. I was washing my hair every other day and I decided I was sick of it. I hated having to blow dry and style it that often. So over the past little while, I have kind of perfected washing my hair once a week. And let me just tell you, it is so nice. So nice. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to wash your hair once a week and get away with it. I'm taking you from day 1 to day 7, showing you what I do to my hair to make it last as long as possible, and also how I style it to keep it looking its very best until the very end. Also, a disclaimer I feel like I need to put out there before someone is wondering in the comments is that I do shower every single day, but I don't wash my hair every single day, obviously. So before we jump into day 1, I'm going to start off by telling you kind of about my hair type. Just because what works for me isn't going to work for every single person out there. You kind of have to adjust things and figure things out for yourself depending on your hair type, thickness, and whatever. So I figured I'd just explain my hair to you first. So my hair isn't too thick, but it's not too thin. It's kind of just in between, and it is naturally straight. It doesn't usually get overly greasy, but I would say if there's like a scale from oily to dry scalp, mine would be more on the oily end. But as I've been pushing my hair and stretching it to last as long as possible between washes, it's kind of gotten used to the process, so it's not as greasy as before, if that makes sense. And that is my hair. Let's jump right into day 1. Starting off with day 1, this is obviously the day that I wash and style my hair. I'll link the shampoo and conditioner that I use down in the description box for you, as well as all the hair products and everything I use in this video. So the first thing I do when I get out of the shower is just brush through my hair and let it air dry a little bit while I do my makeup for 10, maybe 15 minutes. And then I take some argan oil, as you just saw, and run that through my hair, as well as spray heat protectant throughout all of my hair. And this next product I use, I believe, is called Root Mousse or something like that, and this is one of my staple products because my hair tends to be flat and I like to have a little more volume. So basically all you do is just spray it throughout the roots of your hair, I guess. I usually section off about 5 different parts and you just spray it directly onto where the part line is. Then you just run your fingers through it, and this really makes a huge difference if you're looking for more volume in your roots. The next step is to blow dry my hair. So this is pretty self-explanatory, but I just want to mention that styling your hair on the first day is so important, and it makes your hair last so much longer than if you were to just let it air dry without adding any products or anything. So although you're spending a lot more time doing your hair on day 1 than any of the other days, it is definitely worth it because you're only doing this once a week as opposed to every other day like I was before. Once my hair is completely dry, I add a little more heat protectant because I always curl my hair. Literally like 95% of the time my hair is curled. If it's straight, that is a rare occurrence. I actually already have a tutorial up on how I curl my hair, so I will link that in the description box as well as in the information card for you guys. But just know that I swear by this curling wand. It creates the longest lasting curls ever, and I usually don't have to touch up the curls in my hair until at least day 3 or 4. Now I just spray hairspray throughout my hair, run my fingers through the curls, and I'm all finished.
You think you're special like the others, something to discover, think you're little fun, but I have seen my face more than a million times, think I know.
Welcome back to day 2. This is my absolute favorite day because I love second day curls. Like I just said, the curling wand I use is amazing and it creates the best long-lasting curls ever. So 90% of the time I don't even have to do my hair on the second day. What? I know, it's crazy. Occasionally I'll have some straighter pieces of hair that I touch up with my curling wand, but most of the time I just run my fingers through my hair and get going. Day 3 is half updo day. And I just want to mention I usually don't use dry shampoo until about day 4. And usually the only issue I run into my hair by this point is it will start kind of parting weird in the back of my head. So right now I'm showing you how I kind of fix that. You just take whatever section is parting weird, spritz a little hairspray underneath, tease it with a nifty little teasing comb or a regular comb, and you're good to go. So for day 3, I usually grab sections of hair right by the front of my face and secure them at the back of my head for my half updo. And in this video, each day I'm showing you the most basic hairstyles ever because I figure from there you can get creative with it and find different hairstyles that you like, because there's seriously endless possibilities when it comes to doing your hair. But for today, I just secured mine with a clip and pulling out the fringe pieces right around my face, and that's it. I love how easy half updos can be. They make you look so put together, but your hair is done in like less than a minute. Alright. Day 4 is what I call a full half updo, which kind of doesn't make any sense at all, but I'll explain that in a second. So first, I start off by spraying dry shampoo through my roots because my hair usually starts to get a little greasy by this point. I'll link my very favorite dry shampoo down below. It's the best. Seriously, guys, check it out. So the difference between today's half updo and yesterday's is that this one is what I call a full half updo. So that means I usually grab the entire top section of my head instead of just the pieces right next to my face, and I pull that back into some sort of half up in the back of my head. You could also do like a half up top knot on the top of your head or a half up low bun thing. I don't know. Anyway, and by this point my curls usually have fallen out quite a bit, so I will just take my curling wand and touch up the pieces that need fixing, and I will also jam out and sing to a pretend audience and just act like Taylor Swift for a minute, because doesn't everybody do this while they're getting ready? No? Just me? Okay, moving on. Woohoo! You made it to day 5. You're so close to the end. Gotta have another mini concert real quick. Please hold. Pulling out the dry shampoo again. Couldn't live without it. So usually by this point it's a little too risky to leave my hair down. So I claim day 5 as ponytail day. They're easy, they're quick, they can be super cute, they can be lazy, they can be put together. There's endless possibilities, truly. Hooray for ponytail day. I'm a big fan of messy buns. I'll link a good messy bun tutorial down below for you guys, but if I was going to give you one tip, it would probably be that if you twist your face along with your hair, you'll get a better messy bun, apparently, or something like that. And also, messy buns get easier the dirtier your hair is. I know, it sounds gross, but it's true. The more texture and whatever you've got going on in your hair just makes for a better messy bun. Congratulations, you've made it to day 7, which I have declared hat day. There's so many different hats that you can wear, but I'll let you in on a little secret. My favorite is the baseball cap. It's just so casual, and there's a million different hairstyles you can do and a million different outfits you can wear with it. Let me know if you want to see a baseball cap hairstyles video. But usually I'll do something like a low bun or a ponytail, throw a baseball cap over my hair, and you still look cute even though you haven't washed your hair for an entire week. That's right, you made it an entire week without washing your hair. And honestly, I don't sport, so who even is LA Galaxy? I have no idea. Please tell me in a comment if you know. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope it helped you in some way and you kind of got some tips and ideas of how you can maybe wash your hair less often, because it is just kind of a pain. Also, I showed you guys like the most basic ways to do every single hairstyle in this video, but I just want to remind you that you can get totally creative. There's so many braids and buns and ponytails and twists and updos and half updos out there that you can try. And there's always lots of fun hairstyles to try. You should follow me on Pinterest because I do have a hair board where I'm constantly pinning hairstyles. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And for today's comment, why don't you let me know what your favorite hair product is? Like your #1 essential hair product. Ooh, this is a tough one. Actually, no, it's not. Definitely my dry shampoo. Like I said in the video, Batiste dry shampoo is the best thing ever. It will save your hair. Also, let me know if you want to see any more hairstyling videos because I've actually loved doing my hair. So let me know if you'd be interested in seeing more of these beauty hair type videos. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!